guys, welcome back for another video. So today we're going to be doing a fox eye tutorial. We're going to find out how to go from this eye right here to this eye right over here. So if you guys are interested in finding out how to achieve that fox eye look, please stay tuned to this video. Before we get into this fox eye tutorial, let's go ahead and put on a full face. Alright, so full face is on. Let's go ahead and jump right into that fox eye tutorial. Alright, so first thing we're going to use is, this is the Brow Contour Pro from Benefit. We're going to use the deeper shade, which is actually the darkest shade on here. Just going to go ahead and click that down and push it up a little bit. Alright, so now going in with a super compact flat brush. Alright, cool. So now that we have that all smudged out, we're going to go ahead in with any brown eyeliner or, any eyeliner of your liking. I'm going to be using this automatic eyeliner from Ulta in a dark brown shade. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and do this to the other eye as well. Alright, perfect. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add a little bit of that same Brow Contour Pro. Alright, perfect. So we're going to go ahead and add some lashes now. We're going to use my personal favorite for a fox-eyed look, which is the Siren Flare from House of Lashes. Let's go ahead and get these babies on. Alright, yes. So we gotta do something about this hair and everything, so much better. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Here is the final look. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. Please make sure you guys also like, share, and follow my page. Thank you guys so much for watching.